Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for O, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step says solve the innermost round bracket. First, what we do, calculate the operation inside the parentheses first, which are 3 power square and 4 plus 2. So according to BODMAS, requires solving the innermost brackets before moving to outwards. So now first we solve 3 power square, which is 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. And then after 4 plus 2. And the addition gives you 6. So now the current expression becomes square bracket 81 divided by 9 plus curly bracket 7 multiplied by 6 curly bracket square bracket off and multiply by 12. Now move to the second step. Solve the braces, calculate the operation inside the curly braces. 7 multiplied by 6 is equals to 42. According to this, curly brackets are the next layer outward in the order of priority. So now the current expression becomes 81 divided by 9 plus 42 square bracket of multiply by 2. Now move to the third step. According to the third step, solve the division part in the square bracket. So now first we divide 81 divided by 9, which is 9. So now according to this, inside the square brackets we have division and addition also. So according to BODMAS, division takes the priority over the addition. So now the current expression becomes 9 plus 42 square bracket of multiply by 2. Now move to the fourth step. Complete the square brackets. Add the remaining numbers inside the square brackets. 9 plus 42 is equals to 51. And 51, according to this step, completely simplify everything inside the brackets group before multiplying by the number outside. So now the expression becomes 51 multiplied by 2, and finally the fifth step, multiplication. Arithmetic operation, 51 multiplied by 2 equals to 102, and which is the final result. Into this expression, the conclusion is by systematically applying the BODMAS rule layer by layer, clearing the exponents and the inner bracket first, handling division before addition, and finishing with the outer multiplication. So the final simplified value of this expression is 102, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.